Reading Pioneers is proud to present When You Are Curious, written by Veronika Darwell, illustrated by Johnny Plassel. When you are curious, you observe the signs. When you are curious, your rocket is on the rise. When you are curious, you think of fun things to do. When you are curious, without further ado, you see the world anew. When you are curious, you explore new places. When you are curious, you solve tricky mazes. When you are curious, you spark a fire. When you are curious, you climb even higher. When you are curious, you leave a new trace. When you are curious, you join the curious race with all the other curious beings from all over the place. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book When You Are Curious by Veronika Darwell. I loved reading this book because of its simplicity, but also because of the infinite possibilities of being more curious. To show your support, you can follow Veronika on Instagram at Books with Meaning and purchase a copy of When You Are Curious on Amazon. Links of both are available in the description box below. I am very thankful that Veronika contacted me to read her story with you today. If you have a book you'd like to be read, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help the channel if you like the video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to stay updated with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for the video. While waiting for the next story, remember to get a copy of this book on Amazon to share with your family, and check out some of this channel's shorts of other children's book recommendations. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!